Do 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 la 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 la. Do 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 do. I'ma just head here and do do do. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be reacting to one of my old videos. I've gotta admit, I was actually kind of proud of this at the time. Understandably. Now let's actually watch it. And why not start off this video with my old intro? Blech. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Wait, do you see that? The head and the mouth? Whoa. I guess that's what you get when you twin with KineMaster.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I couldn't have tried harder with that mouth.
Every week is fashion week for me.
Hold up, did I seriously use one of those KineMaster preset animations?
Wake up, put on all the freshest shit you ever seen. New York, LA, Milan, Italy.
Wow, I was so proud of using this Gacha Life walking animation.
I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me. Every week is fashion week
I guess this part is okay, but I spelled loss wrong. Thanks a lot for pointing that out, Mom.
for me. I just went to Barney, spent your all your salary. I never wore Yeezys, that's a fact.
Rest in peace, my unloved Yeezys.
Every week is fashion week for me.
Me when I can't decide on a darn OC. Oh, and this part is kind of repetitive, but whatever.
Every week is fashion week for me.
Oh, and why end my video like that when I can end it with this old intro?